Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing right onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. That's right, I have another copycat recipe for all of yous, and this time it is a copycat recipe for Mrs Wages Salsa. So be sure to grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today because you know it. We're going to be doing that copycat recipe of our beloved Mrs. Wages Salsa Mix. I have to sit there and say it's one of my best copycat recipes, so let's go ahead and let's get started. So with that being said, we're going to go and start dumping all of our ingredients that we need. Now, I have 1 cup of cilantro leaves. We have 1 cup parsley leaves. We have 1 cup of dried minced onion. We have 1/2 cup of crushed red pepper. We have 1/4 cup of minced garlic. 1/2 cup of the dried red and green minced peppers. We have 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. We have 1 tablespoon of pepper, and the last ingredient, 1 tablespoon salt. Now, I'm just gonna sit there, grab myself a spoon, and we're going to sit there and mix this all up. I want you to do the same, so I'll be back as soon as we're all done mixing this. There it is. All inside a 1-quart canning jar. Now just go ahead, put a lid on it, and remember, 2 tablespoons to 1 can, 1 10-ounce can of Rotel tomatoes. Now this is great if you're an RVer or you're coming across country in your RV camper, as my parents are. Now they can sit there and just put this in Ziploc baggies or put it in a plastic container as such, and all they have to do is just measure out the amount that you would need to put in with the Rotel tomatoes. Now that's how easy it is to sit there and make yourself some salsa mix in a jar for yourself. So give me a big old thumbs up. Be sure to pin, share, like, and subscribe today. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And most of all, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?